Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to insert a text box in the Microsoft Word mobile app in 2026. If you want to highlight important information, create tables, or place text anywhere in your document more freely, using a text box is a great option. To get started, open the Microsoft Word app on your phone and open the document where you want to add the text box. Next, tap the icon to enter editing mode if your document is not already editable. After that, tap the Insert option from the toolbar menu and look for text box among the available insert tools, depending on your device and app version. You may need to scroll through the menu to find it. Once you tap text box, a new text box will appear inside your document automatically. You can then tap inside the box and start typing your text immediately. You can also resize the text box, move it to another location, and adjust the formatting options such as font style, alignment, and color to match your document design. After making your changes, simply continue editing your document and your text box will be saved automatically along with the rest of your work. And that's it. That's how you can insert a text box in the Microsoft Word mobile app in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.